Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on and share with you guys this super cute haul that I did over at Hello Bluebird. And this is what the packaging looks like. And this is a new company to me. This is the first time I've ordered from them. These images are so super cute. I had seen this company before, I think over the summer, when I was watching Christy's channel, and she is Christy Gets Crafty. And I really thought these images were so darling. So let me share with you what I picked up. These are primarily all winter and Christmas stamps. I did get one coordinating die set, and then one is just bunnies. So let's get started. So this is the first one that I picked up. This is called Frosty Friends. I love snowmen for the winter and Christmas. And look at that super cute reindeer. These will be so cute to create a scene card with. And I love these like bubbled out sentiment. What am I trying to say? The little speech bubbles, that's what it is. And it also has a to and from. This is jam-packed with so many cute and darling images. I cannot wait to stamp these up. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I posted this earlier when I received the package. So excited. So that is Frosty Friends. This next one is the one I was telling you about that's full of bunnies. This is called McGregor's Garden. How adorable are these? And you can use this all throughout the year. I'm sure every time we see bunnies, it's mainly for Easter, but these are so super cute. I love this one that's laying down, or looks like it's laying down. And look how super cute these birds are. I'm not a very big bird person, but I love these. And you get so many. And you get some fun sentiments too. Love this. I believe those are 4x8. The remaining ones that I got are, these I think are 4x6 sets. And then the rest of them are 4x8. I think. But I told you guys before, I love snowflakes too. And I have actually been looking for a good snowflake heavy set. I love this one. I love this big Merry Christmas scripty sentiment that's included in this one. This is called Holiday Flurries. And these snowflakes are really good size. And then you get the Happy Holidays here, these little trio of dots. These smaller snowflakes kind of looks like asterisks, but I love the variety of the snowflakes and the different sizes that you get. The next one I picked up is called North Pole Littles, and I don't think I've shared with you guys, but I've basically been kind of collecting the Mama Elephant little agenda stamp sets. I've yet to use one, but I plan on doing that for this holiday season. So when I saw this one, I had to grab it. So this has some elves, Mrs. Claus, Santa Claus in this sleigh right here. Some sentiments. I love this little North Pole signpost. And look at the reindeer. You get 5 of them. So adorable. And then you get all these tiny little accessories. This is going to be so much fun. So like I said, this is called North Pole Littles. This next one is called Snow Play. And believe me, there was plenty more that I wanted to pick up, but I just stuck to the ones I really wanted. And I have been looking for a penguin set as well, because I don't have a penguin set of stamps. This has this string of lights that I just saw. I've been looking for a stamp with little lights like this, so this is perfect. Look at the deer. There's some more penguins down here. I love the mix of the scripty font with just the sans serif. There's a ton of sentiments in this one. And then you can take this Santa hat and put it on any one of these critters. I'm so excited. And then the last one that I picked up is called Rooftop Reindeer. I thought these reindeer were so cute. Aren't they darling? They have the sweetest little faces. And there's some more snowflakes in this one, which I think I can combine with the other snowflake set. Here is a rooftop for a scene card. These sentiments are like a little bit skinnier and narrower. So there's some cursive ones, and with the serif fonts on this one, this little cluster of dots and stars that you can use to just fill in your card. Oh, and they have this little like shine, you know, when something's brightly lit. So you can put that to make one of these Rudolph. How adorable. I believe these are like hoof prints. These are just so jam-packed. I'm definitely going to be picking up some more of their stamps. I think their images are so darling. For this one, I did pick up the coordinating dies. The reason I didn't pick up coordinating dies for the other ones is because normally I do like to fussy cut my images out, only because I'm not a big fan of the white outline. But I really didn't want to cut around the antlers for these. And the coordinating die set for this company, they're really well priced. So I would head on over there. I will have the link to Hello Bluebird down in the description box below. And be on the lookout for some super adorable holiday cards using some of these images. I cannot wait. Let me know what you guys think, which one is your favorite stamp set, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.